There's no denying that we can't help feeling excited when seeing peach blossom branches or kumquat trees on the street. Why so? I guess we all know the answer. These are all the indications that tell us TET is around the corner. Hello everyone, this is Đức Chu, a teacher from the IELTS Workshop. The Vietnamese Lunar New Year or TET has long played an indispensable part in Vietnamese culture. And what is more, it's also the time when we can observe our traditional values. On this special occasion and in this episode of the series 5 Words About, I'm gonna share with you 5 words related to TET. And let's go! Based on my observation, one of the most popular and exciting things to do during TET holiday is definitely bud picking. Right after the New Year's Eve or on the first day of the New Year, people flock to the pagoda, pick a bud, and then put it in the vase at home. And these verdant buds are believed to bring you prosperity, luck, and happiness for the whole year. Incense sticks, which we often call Hương or Nhang in Vietnamese, are of paramount importance in our religious life. And on TET holiday, this rite is seen even more clearly in the intimate atmosphere where all the family members gather together. We tend to reminisce about our ancestors and to pay respect to the departed. We burn incense sticks on the altar. I believe this is a very nice thing to do since it honors the traditions of appreciating our forebears and parents. Time will pass, but respect always remains. As we all know, the cultures of countries like China, Korea, and Vietnam are rich in mysticism and spirituality. The Vietnamese, more specifically, are known for their deep obsession with fortune-telling. One of these fortune-telling activities is called fortune sticks, which have been used for centuries and are commonly seen as a chance game such as Russian roulette. The fortune sticks are used by those who are looking for answers and advice for the new year. I personally believe that it would be so thrilling to draw a fortune stick from the pot, since you would never know whether it can bring you bad or good luck. Back in the day, my mom used to give me a stack of colorful paper sheets and tell me to burn it. And I can still vividly remember how excited I got when I was assigned to do such things because, it is an extremely entertaining chore for a kid to do. As I grew a bit older, I came to realize the purpose of this paper and why people burn them on special occasions. Appearing as an ancestral worshipping activity, George paper burning represents a lot of cultural traditions and beliefs of the Vietnamese people. We often burn George paper or ghost money on the Lunar New Year's Eve to commemorate our ancestors. And not only is burning George paper an offering, but it also sends our prayers to the ancestors and wishes upon a new year full of luck, health, and prosperity. If you want to find an English version of Dông, which means to have bad luck during a long time, I guess the next word would be right for you. First, I want you to imagine the image of being chased by a dog. Very scary, very relentless, right? So the idiom, to be dogged by misfortune, could be the best for you to describe the word Dông. For example, during TET holiday, it's said that sweeping the floor or having a quarrel should be avoided. You don't want to be dogged by misfortune for the whole year, do you? And that concludes our series today, and I hope you have fun learning with me. Tết series is awaiting us, and I wish you a happy new year full of luck, prosperity, and health. Once again, my name is Đức Chu from the IELTS Workshop. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get more interesting lessons. Bye for now.